We're going to harvest a few of the summer veggies that we have planted in our raised garden bed here. Come join me. First of all, we're going to pick some of this red okra. Look at how tall it is, about as tall as me, well minus the height of the raised garden bed. But if you have a look, this one is the very first fruit that it had. I'm not sure if it's still soft, but we'll see. Yay! And in the next plant here, and here. Look! So we've gotten the okra. Next would be the cucumber. There is another cucumber vine here. It's much smaller than this one over here, but look, it's got 3 cucumber fruit inside there. So far we've got cucumbers and okra. Next is eggplant. Not sure if it's ready, but we'll just get a couple because look, they're long enough.
Get the one, biggest one, because we're going to eat that.
Here you go. I think it's pretty firm. Not sure if it's ready, but... And then maybe one more. Here, this one is... There. Next up, we're going to the front to pick some zucchini. Let's go. Now we're here in the front. Have you seen a zucchini on steroids? I have to show this to you. Have a look. Oh, I can't even cut it with this, I think. Wait. Yeah, wait. Now I'm going to give it to the neighbor. Okay, next one. So there's one there. And then there's another one there. And we'll pick those tomorrow. This is our harvest for the day. Off to the neighbors.